In this video, you will learn to identify the characteristics of academic sources and differentiate them from popular sources, understand the purpose and process of peer review and its significance in academic publishing, and evaluate sources based on authorship, citations, publication venue, and language to determine their credibility and suitability for academic research. Academic research requires the use of reliable, credible sources. Understanding how to identify academic sources and how to distinguish them from popular or non-academic materials is a foundational skill for university-level work. To determine whether a source is academic, evaluate it according to the following characteristics. Audience and purpose. Academic sources are materials written by experts for an academic audience, with the primary purpose of advancing knowledge in a specific field. The purpose of academic sources is to present original research, analyze theories, or critically evaluate topics in depth. These sources include peer-reviewed journal articles, scholarly books published by university presses, conference proceedings, and graduate theses. In contrast, popular sources such as news articles, blogs, magazines, or websites are typically intended for a general audience. Their main goal might be to inform, entertain, or persuade, rather than provide detailed or evidence-based analysis. Author. Academic sources are written by experts in a specific field for scholarly audiences. These experts are typically affiliated with a university or research institution and may hold advanced degrees such as a PhD, often using discipline-specific language, methods, and terminologies familiar to researchers and scholars. You can verify their qualifications by searching institutional directories or academic databases such as Scopus or Google Scholar. Citations of their previous work by other scholars further confirm their authority. In contrast, popular sources are often written by journalists or writers who may not have specialized academic expertise in the subject they cover. References. Academic sources include a bibliography or list of references. These citations allow readers to verify the origin of information, trace scholarly debates, and assess the depth of research. The presence of consistent and properly formatted citations is a strong indicator of academic rigor. Popular sources rarely include citations or detailed references, making it difficult to trace or verify the accuracy of their content. Publisher. Academic sources are often published by university presses, professional associations, or scholarly journals. These publishers have editorial standards that prioritize accuracy and academic contribution. Books and journals from commercial publishers may also be academic if they follow rigorous review processes. Structure and language. Academic sources are usually written in a formal style and often use vocabulary specific to a subject area. In subjects like science or social science, these sources often follow a clear structure with section titles such as abstract, introduction, methods, results, and discussion. In fields like history or literature, the structure may be different, organized by themes or arguments, but the writing still follows academic rules and sounds more formal than everyday language. Popular sources generally use accessible language aimed at a general public. They are often visually appealing, incorporating images, advertisements, or design elements meant to attract a broader audience. Review process. Peer review is a critical process that distinguishes scholarly sources from other forms of writing. In peer review, an article or research submission is evaluated by other experts in the field, called referees, before it is accepted for publication. These reviewers assess the validity of the methodology, the accuracy of the findings, the originality of the contribution, and the quality of the writing. There are different types of peer review. In single-blind review, reviewers know the author's identity, but the author does not know the reviewers. In a double-blind peer review, both the reviewers and authors are anonymous to each other. In an open peer review, the identities of both parties may be known, and the review process is more transparent. Peer-reviewed sources are considered the gold standard in academic research because they have undergone critical scrutiny by qualified professionals. Unlike scholarly articles, popular sources undergo only editorial review rather than peer review, and thus do not guarantee the rigorous evaluation required by academic standards. To determine whether a journal is peer-reviewed, you can consult the journal's website, particularly the About or Editorial Policy sections. Use library databases to verify peer review status. Use filters in academic databases to restrict results to peer-reviewed content. If you are uncertain whether a source is academic or peer-reviewed, consult your library's databases, speak to your instructor, or ask a librarian for assistance. In this video, you have learned to identify the characteristics of academic sources and differentiate them from popular sources, understand the purpose and process of peer review and its significance in academic publishing, and evaluate sources based on authorship, citations, publication venue, and language to determine their credibility and suitability for academic research.